Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot Reuben dip. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need one 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, 8 ounces of deli corned beef, and you want that to be coarsely chopped. So I just ordered it as thin as I could from the deli and then kind of just roll it up and shred it with a knife. Then you need 1 cup of shredded Swiss cheese, but I'm going to use this little 6-ounce, it's 1.5 cups, so you know. You can never have too much cheese. Then you need a 1/2 cup of sauerkraut, and you want to make sure that's drained. So I just opened the package and kind of dumped it out with it kind of close so the actual sauerkraut couldn't come out. And I have a heaping 1/2 cup here because you really can't taste it. Then you need a 1/4 cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup of Thousand Island dressing, and then some kind of crackers to dip it in. Triscuits, rye crackers, anything you want. So there are 3 ways to make this. Today I'm going to use the crock pot because I love making crock pot dips, but you could also bake it, and I'll put all of those directions as well on my on the links below. So let's get started. Alright, so basically just add everything to your crock pot. I kind of broke up my cream cheese a bit just so it would evenly melt instead of just a big block. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on this and cook it. You can either cook it on low for 4 to 6 hours or on high for 2 to 3. Alright, our dip is all ready to go. I did stir it a few times throughout the 4 hours that it was sitting here, but 4 hours on low was plenty enough time in my opinion. So we are going to just give it one good stir again and then have taste tester have a little taste. Alright, taste tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yum.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh my god, like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.